Hello, in this video I will show you how not to cut off branches of trees. When you cut them off, they should be cut flush with the main stem. As you see on those videos, that's not exactly how it was cut and a snag is left. You should cut exactly where I am showing it, and it's usually very easy to notice. Now, look at this snag. It was left a few years ago, and you see that it doesn't heal. So that's what happens with snags when you leave them. Now, in my next snag, you will see what happened even more years ago. It still has not healed, and it will never heal. What will happen instead? It will become a tree hollow, and with time it will lead to the death of the tree. Here you can also see a snag that was left a few years ago and it still did not heal, and with time it will also become a tree hollow. So again, to avoid this, cut off branches flush with main stem. Use good quality tools and make sure that they are sharp. Once you cut, make sure that all cuts are clean. A pair of ragged parts left on the sawn surfaces. And if you cut your branch without leaving snags, you will ensure that in a few years the tree will heal itself. And to help it with this, all cuts over ½ inches or about 1 centimeter in diameter should be painted to protect wood with a special paint for these purposes. And to reemphasize, this is exactly where you have to cut off a branch.